Hi, I'm Mr. Goudou here at Calvert Hall, and I teach AP French, honors French 4, and some Spanish classes. So I'm here to talk to you about Christmas in France, which is my favorite holiday. Uh, Christmas is a big family holiday in France. On Christmas Eve, we all meet in church around 7 o'clock. So in old days, it used to be we used to have church at midnight. That was not at midnight, but it has changed over the years. So we all go to church, at 7 p.m. And after church, we'll meet at my grandparents' house. Sometime we'll be at the grandparents' house on the mother side, or some other years will be on my dad's side. So we all go to my grandparents after church, and uh, my grandmother will be setting up. We'll have a Christmas tree not too far from the fireplace, and they'll have a bunch of chairs there, and people will sit by the fireplace and chatting, hugging, and kissing, and kids will be running around. Uh, Before that evening, somebody in the family will volunteer to dress like Santa and give gifts away. And in some rich families, will probably hire a Santa. But in my family, most of the time, will be one of my cousins, somebody, uh, some uncle that will volunteer to hand the gift out. So, kids are excited, and in the backyard, you see Santa running by, and the kids will be cheering, like, oh, Santa's in the house and stuff. So everybody will sit by the fireplace, like I said, and aperitif is served. Aperitif is like an alcoholic drink to stimulate appetite. That's served before dinner. And kids will have syrup, with like grenadine syrup, and we have a certain type of syrup with the bismint, mint syrup. But we have a grenadine syrup also, which will be red, that serve mixed with some seltzer water for kids. It's like a Shirley Temple, right in here. So kids love it. I remember I used to like it when I was younger. And adult will have some champagne and also some hot liquor. A kid will have juice or this type of drink. Served with some appetizers, finger food, and people will be talking and chatting. And my grandmother most of the time will be back and forth between the living room and the kitchen. So when after a few minutes, she will announce the arrival of Santa. Santa will come and sit by the fireplace and give a little bit of, talk about who behaved well, who didn't behave well, and then he'll hand the gift out. And he always, kids always excited to get the gift first, and people get the gift. And now it's time to unwrap the gift. So we'll start with the youngest in the house, and we'll finish with the oldest in the house. And people will hug and say thank you and stuff while we're still having the aperitif. And later on, the host lady, which is my grandmother, will announce dinner. Okay, and then she'll install people. We'll have like a big, long table. Sometimes we'll have two tables together so everybody can sit around the table. So we'll be installed by the table, and dinner will be served. We start first with it's like 4 or 5 course meal sometimes. So we'll start with les huîtres, which is oyster. So sometimes it'll be some people like most of them we like raw oyster, and some people who cannot eat raw will have the baked one. It's like les huîtres au gratin. It's like baked in the oven, and some other seafood for people who don't like oysters. So we start with oysters, and it's still with white wine for adults. Kids will have the juice and water, and that's first. And then after oyster, then we'll come to the foie gras. Foie gras, which is right here. But most of the time, I have an aunt that will make it from scratch at home. Okay, so she will make foie gras. That's served with some slice of bread, like farm baked bread, and some aioli. It looks like mayonnaise, but it's not mayonnaise really. It's a mix with it has a lot of ingredient in there, some garlic, some and spices in there. Okay, that we'll use, and we'll have a foie gras. And foie gras is served with different type of wine. It's served with sweet wine, moelleux, smooth, sweet wine that's a bit like dessert wine, not Riesling. Okay, so we have Montbazillac, which is a very popular moelleux, which is served with foie gras or sauterne, which is very sweet wine also. So after the foie gras, we'll move to the main course meal, and most of the time it's bird. It'll be like a big farm-grown chicken, rotisserie, and or turkey, some over years, okay. Served with steamed potatoes, baby potatoes, baked, or sauté. Sometimes we might add a little bit of green beans, sauté green bean with garlic and stuff. So that will be the main course meal. So over the years, after the main course meal, before we move on to cheese and dessert, we might have boudin blanc. Boudin blanc is a type of sausage. Okay, that's made. It has some sausage and a little bit of chicken in there also, and pork shoulder in there, and some bread crumbs. Yes, in there. So after the mixed course meal, we might have boudin blanc, and sometimes it comes with grilled tomatoes and onions and well seasoned. Okay, and then after that, then they'll bring the cheese platter out. So you have cheese platter. You will have goat cheese, blue cheese, brie. We have camembert. So that's so many type of cheese in France. So that will come with a little bit of lettuce, like a salad mixed with vinaigrette. Okay, and people will just get the cheese and a little bit of bread. Some people might use like crackers to go with the cheese. And after the cheese, then the cheese come with a special red wine that my grandpa always loved to choose. Or they'll open the wine like straight the red wine. They open them like an hour before it's served to let it oxygenate and breathe. So he'll introduce the wine, and people who drink the wine will serve and have the cheese. And then after that, we'll move on to the dessert. And we have a special log, special cake for Christmas that look like, I hope I can bring it, but I try to get it from the French bakery, but they don't have it yet. It's too soon, they said. It's called La Bûche de Noël. It looks like a tree, okay? And I love it. It's just so wonderful. All right. So we'll have Bûche de Noël with some dessert, wine for adults, moelleux and sweet wine, and that will be the last meal for that dinner. And then after that, then we'll bring out the coffee for coffee drinkers, and the digestif, which is another alcoholic beverage for adults, like cognac. Cognac is a good digestive, Armagnac, or some vintage rum. Or sometimes my grandpa likes to bring his own homemade roots liquor, and that he'll introduce to people. So now, people who don't drink alcohol may have some apple cider, or coffee, and that's basically how it goes, and it will last for hours. Sometimes we finish around 2 a.m. But it's a wonderful party or gathering where everybody's happy, and we have music in the background, Christmas carol, And sometimes when my grandpa is happy, he'll bring out his accordion and play and stuff like that. Yeah. So those are great memories. Every now and then, some of them have passed away, but we still celebrate as a family. So every time I get to go, we'll go visit. Unfortunately, with everything that's happening, we'll stay here in the U.S. But those are great memories that I cherish, that I would like to share with you guys.